In this video, we're exploring which listing real estate brokers had the top customer service stats in the Raleigh area, so you can increase your likelihood of a smooth home sale. And most of these numbers aren't public numbers like ratings on Google, so you probably haven't seen anything like this. And I'll bet you're thinking the first winner is me. Well, I hate to disappoint you, but unfortunately, I didn't make the cut this year. All kidding aside, we feel this may help you find a broker you can trust who may be the best broker to list with for you. So get ready, because we're going over some inside numbers from the MLS data, and we'll reveal the 7 winners of our Best Listing Brokers in Raleigh Award. Full disclosure, I have not spoken to any of these brokers prior to selecting them, and unlike every other top broker award, no one can or is paying me to score them high here. Hey everyone, before we get started, if you're looking to start your home sale process, feel free to click over to our website where it just takes 35 seconds to get signed up. And now, let's get into our top 7 picks for Best Listing Brokers of 2022. On screen now, you can see the insider MLS and public numbers we use to score all the listing brokers in Wake County based on. In terms of the insider numbers, we believe homeowners don't want to be giving up concessions to buyers. So we checked each broker's percent of closings where their seller had to give up financial concessions of $2,000 or more to the buyer. We did this because we don't think you want to get a call from your broker advising you that you have to give up $2,000 or more of your proceeds to the buyer. As you can see, we found the industry average is about 15% of home sellers are presently giving up $2,000 or more. Sellers that listed with our 7 winners only had to provide $2,000 or more in concessions 5.5% of the time on average. So when you list with the average broker, they're 2.5 times more likely to require that you give up $2,000 or more to the buyer. We feel in this seller's market, there are only rare instances where it makes sense to give up financial concessions. And the numbers indicate our top 7 winners did a great job preparing their home sellers to list and utilized outstanding negotiating skills representing their clients. The second key number we evaluated was when the same team repped for both the buyer and the seller. How are you supposed to fairly represent both the buyer and the seller? You can see again that our winners significantly outperform many of the other top brokers in the area. The winners of our award only repped both sides of the deal in a rare 2% of the deals that they handled. And even though selling your home quickly is no problem in this hot seller's market here in Raleigh, we double checked and all our winners had the same or better 3-day average for days on the market here in Raleigh. So enough of the scorecard, in no particular order, here's our winners. Angie Cole, Adam Grossman, Karen Freed, Christina Valkanoff, Jennifer Spencer, Johnny Chappelle, Marty Hampton, and Sharon Evans. Congratulations to our winners. By our standards, you significantly outperformed your peers and had a great year. You'll find all 7 of our winners' links in the description of this video. And you'll also find our link to our website as well. And if you're enjoying this video, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more weekly videos. That's all for this video. Did we miss something you thought we should have included? Or have a video idea you'd like to see us shoot? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start simplifying your home sale or purchase, or both, go to our website link in the description box and hit the Get Started button. Are you still watching? You're awesome. We appreciate you supporting our channel and boosting us in the algorithms so our videos get viewed by folks like you. Thanks again for watching, and get ready to buy or sell your home in the Triangle like a pro.